So today I'm gonna show you how you can easily get a high quality stream or recording with OBS. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your settings. Then you have to click on your video option and make sure that you are selecting your canvas resolution. If you are having a 1920 by 1080 monitor, then select 1920 1080, or if you're having a 4K monitor, select 4K. It will show your option there, so just select the top option and you are good to go. And then the output scale, you need to make sure that you select 2K. You can also select 4K and you can also select 1080p, but do not go lesser than 1080p. So if you are having a low end PC, I will recommend you to go with 720p or 1080p, or else if you are having a high end or a mid-range PC, then you can easily bump up to like 1080p, 2K or 4K easily. You don't have any kind of problem. So just make sure that you have a very good PC to do this type of things, okay? So the next setting that you want to change is your FPS. Make sure you make it 60. Do not go for 50. Do not go for 30. Make it 60. Then the next setting that you need to do is you need to go to your output setting. So if you are having an NVIDIA graphic card, you can just go there and select the NVIDIA NVENC H.264. I will recommend you to go with the H.264 because HEVC consume a lot of your GPU resources and it will be not good for your computer. So if you are having a single PC and you're doing recording and streaming and plus gaming on that PC, then I will highly recommend you to do these things, okay? Just go with H.264, it will be good to go. And if you are having an NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, then you can just select your AMD encoder H.264. I don't have any kind of experience with AMD because I don't have any kind of AMD graphic card, that's why. So if you are having an Intel CPU, and if you are having an integrated graphics, then you can select QuickSync H.264. In order to make this visible, what you can do, you can watch that tutorial that I already made in my channel. You can just go and watch it. It's very simple. The next setting is the rate control, make it CBR. So if you're streaming on YouTube, then you can select this thing to 15,000. I will recommend you not to go lesser than this. You can go if you have a bad connection like that. I can't say that, man. It totally depends on you. But I will recommend you to stay at like 8,000 kilobit to 15,000 kilobit if you're doing 2K streaming, or else it will not allocate it that much of bitrate and your stream will look like a garbage, okay? So make sure that you bump up your bitrate. So the next setting is key interval, make this thing 2. And then preset, I will recommend you to go with the P5, or you can also go with the P2. It totally depends on your computer, because I would recommend you to go with P3, P4, P5. Don't go beyond that P5 because it's not gonna give you that much amount of quality, but it's gonna take your resources a lot, like your GPU resources, okay? So make sure you do not go beyond that thing. So just do your testing, okay? Don't depend on me. Just do your testing. Then the next setting that you want to do is use tuning. You can tuning to high quality, then multipass mode 2, passes quad resolution, then profile high. You can also set to mean, but I will recommend you to set on high. Then you can also take this both too. It's gonna make your recording much more beautiful like that. But you can leave this thing like that, or you can just take on the cycle visual only and it will be good for you. And then max keyframe should be 2, okay? So if you want to do the recording also, then you can just copy paste that thing also. It doesn't matter that much because you can use the same encoder for that things. Just keep in mind that if you are streaming and recording at the same time, it's gonna put double pressure on your computer, on your GPU. So just make sure that you reduce the resolution just by clicking on output resolution to 1280x720p. Reduce it or make it like 1080p or make it like 720p. I will recommend you if you're having a single PC, but it totally depends on you. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Bye bye.